Hey friends, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already to become part of our home decor family. In today's video, let's take a look at Maximalist home decor. Now, if Maximalist is for you, definitely keep on watching. Okay guys, so I'm showing you some examples of really just gorgeous Maximalist rooms. I've broken up sections of the video like part by part, room by room. Now I have chosen items all from Amazon so everyone has the ability to grab them. If you're interested in anything that you see in this video, check it out down in the description box. But let's get the video started with Maximalist Entryways. So I feel like no entryway is complete without a really cute doormat. I found this one that says cute shoes, take them off. I think it is just the perfect whimsical way to welcome guests into your home. As you can see, this is available in many different colors like the navy blue, the traditional doormat color we see, even a pink. I think it's just such a cute way to not only welcome people to your home, but also let them know, hey, take your shoes off. Now, since this is a video about Maximalist home decor, I thought this was a perfect doormat to feature. It's bright, it's colorful, it's vibrant, and it's going to give people a taste of what your home is all about. Also, it is pretty economically priced as well. Okay, so since we're still speaking about the entryway, to me in my home, an entryway is not complete unless you have a small mirror just to check out how you're looking. I thought this would be cute. Lot of vintage appeal. It's very cute. It's small, doesn't take up a ton of wall space. Okay guys, so once again, we're talking Maximalist. We're talking about really colorful pieces and knickknacks, and I thought this was a perfect. It comes in different color schemes, different designs. I just think this would be so cute on a bookshelf somewhere. A Maximalist entryway is also known for those really quirky one-of-a-kind pieces, and when I saw this accent table, this one fits the bill. This is so cute. I'm actually thinking about it for my home. Okay, so last but not least for entryways, look at this floor lamp, y'all. I thought this was so cute. I almost screamed when I saw it. As you see, it comes in a variety of sizes and colors, but this would be such a cute, like, hey, come on in, welcome to my home in your entryway. Alright guys, moving right along, let's take a look at some Maximalist living rooms. Here's what I picked out on Amazon that I thought would work. The first thing is this creative floor lamp. It has 9 different bulbs. It's kind of edgy, kind of modern, but would definitely work in your Maximalist home. So next we have this yellow bouncy chair. It's called bouncy because the seat kind of bounces. You guys, I love this. It really reminds me of stadium seating, and I think that this would make such a cute accent chair in your home. And now something I'm completely obsessed about. Now this is more of a Gothic type style, you know, Victorian Gothic, but this will definitely work for your Maximalist home. Look at the funky color, look at the size, the shape. I mean, all you really need, a few other pops of colors, and these chairs, they stand out that much. I love this. So speaking of your Maximalist living room, if you're looking for a funky rug, I have found this one. It is a green shag rug, available in a variety of sizes and will definitely set your living room off. For the people watching that live in smaller spaces, I always preach a good standing bookshelf is a great way to divide up a room. Here is one that is perfect for that, and with all of the shelves that you have available, you can honestly just put whatever knickknacks that you have just to kind of give it some more texture there. Okay, so next we have the Cowboy Cats art print. You guys, I thought this was so stinking cute. You guys know I am obsessed with cats. Now this is only in an 11 by 17 size, so I definitely think this would work best as part of a really funky, eclectic gallery wall in your living room. So now let's take it to some Maximalist kitchens. If you guys are liking this video, definitely let me know down below. I plan on doing them for other home decor styles as well. So as I've stated a few times, Maximalist is all about funky, and look at this paper towel holder. I thought this was so cute. Now this is in the dinosaur shape, but they also have like elephants. They have all kinds of different animals, so definitely something cute and quirky for your kitchen cabinet, or sorry, your kitchen counter. So this is one of those things that you don't really know you need until you get it, and it is so cute. Imagine this sitting on your kitchen table. This is an orange juice carton vase. Just fill it with fresh flowers, baby's breath, decorative grass. I mean, I just think this is so cute. And if your kitchen has a bar area, these acrylic bar stools come in a set of 2 and they would be perfect. It also comes in different colors: blue, black, yellow, clear, red, hot pink, fuchsia color. You guys, this can really set your kitchen off because there's only so much you can really do in your kitchen. So I feel like this is a great way to tie in. Of course, how can we talk about a kitchen without some dishes? This is a dinner plate set of 6, and as you see, they are all different colors and patterns. And also we have this set of 12, I believe it's called melamine dinnerware. I actually have some of this. It's so cool because it doesn't break. Now you can't microwave this nor stick it in the oven. However, it's super cute and super durable. Last but not least, when it comes to kitchen, I saw this 12-piece set of ceramic nonstick cookware. Look at that color, look at that gold accents. You guys, these are so pretty. Now let's mosey on over to the Maximalist dining rooms. Found quite a few things in here as well. These are the dining chair set of 4. They are acrylic. I love that color. I just think this would be so cute in a Maximalist dining room. We also have this set of 4 velvet chairs. Set of 4, you guys, for that price. That is pretty good. Very bright and cheery and just really vibrant. Okay, so comment down below if you all have seen these before. These are fabric chairs, like fabric, almost like patchwork type chairs. These were just so unusual. This is a set of 2, I believe. Very unusual, and I was just like, I've got to show my friends this. And of course, keeping with the theme of color, we have this colorful spider lamp. You see it kind of looks like a spider, all different colors. This is going to fit your home decor no matter what color scheme you're going for. But if something a little fancier schmancier is your style, how about a chandelier? And this colorful rainbow chandelier, it's acrylic, it's a 5-light chandelier, and I just think this would be so cute in a Maximalist room. And what dining room is complete without a really funky rug underneath? And I have found this one, this abstract wool rug, available in a variety of sizes and color schemes. So now let's take it to the room where all the action happens, a Maximalist bedroom. The first thing I found was this velvet duvet cover. This is a king size, but as you can see, tons of colors. No matter what color scheme you are going for in your Maximalist bedroom, you're going to be able to find it on this listing. So something else I thought was super cute would be this arch mirror. Now this is fairly small, 19 by 30, the one that's showing. However, as you can see, they do have different sizes available, and I just think it would be perfect for a bedroom. It also gives you a little bit of romantic, almost vintage vibes. And just me being the generous person I am, I wanted to give you 3 different options for beds. So 2 are headboards, including this rattan headboard. This is a queen size. I believe they have other sizes available, and this one is a queen size as well. It looks like this one is just a queen and a full, but you know, with this material you can definitely kind of add color to it. But Maximalists have a lot of stuff, so I found this bed and I was like, oh my goodness, this would be perfect. 2 drawers you can actually pull out to put some of your stuff that you don't want on display. Okay, so let me just say I am obsessed with this faux zebra print rug. I just think it's giving funky, it's giving colorful, it's giving vibrant, it's giving, there's a lot of life in this room. I really like this. To me, one of the mainstays of a maximalist room is a good gallery wall. So if you haven't just scoured the thrift stores and the Goodwills to find different pieces you love, you can cheat. Amazon has gallery, like all kind of different pictures and portraits for you. So this is one little small set I found. Definitely look around. They have many, many more. So I don't know why I like this picture so much. I just feel like if I had a maximalist room or home, this would be something that I would want. It is a Flower Brain Dictionary piece of wall art, and I just think it's colorful, and it's also kind of deep, you know? It's deep in a shallow way. All right, we are just moving along. Let's check out some maximalist bathrooms. I love this bathroom showing, by the way. So the first thing I found would be this cherry toilet brush holder. Isn't this cute? Something so just plain and blah. They just made really cute. And a conversation piece. I also saw this sign that said better late than ugly. I just thought this was so cute for a bathroom. It's also really funny too. Okay, but this picture could be my favorite picture of this whole video. I don't know why I love this so much, but that zebra is just in that tub getting clean, and I am here for it. It would work perfectly in a maximalist bathroom. One really cheap and renter-friendly way to spruce up your bathroom, of course, is with a shower curtain. So Amazon has dozens and hundreds and thousands to choose from, but I thought this was really cute. Let me know what you think. Alright guys, so this one is not PG, but we're just gonna call it art. This is a butt and boob collage. This pays homage to different colors of women, different sizes of women, different shapes of women. I feel like this is a unity poster. And once again, probably one of the most precious things that I saw. This is a Snell soap dispenser. What you do is add your soap. You actually push his little shell and the soap comes out of his mouth. I just thought this was so quirky and cute. Once again, another funky animal rug. This is a pink leopard bath mat for your bathroom. It also comes in different color schemes. You guys, I have been counting. I've used the word cute so many times in this video. I'm not saying it anymore, but it's cute. All right, friends, I can't believe it. We made it to the very last area of the home, a Maximalist Patio. So the first thing I saw was this 3-piece conversation bistro set. I just think this is really cute. Not that expensive for patio furniture, and you can spruce it up a ton of ways. Speaking of, I found this ashtray. No judgment, if you smoke, you smoke. But this is an ashtray for cigarettes. And look at it. It's a pair of lips. It's red, it's sexy, it's vibrant, it's colorful, and it would look great on your patio. So another really funky thing I saw, this is a half of a vinyl record. I just thought this would be so cute, maybe outside going into your home. You always want a little mat there to get all the dust and dirt off your shoes so you don't track it in, but this is just very unusual. I love it. So refinishing the concrete or asphalt or whatever you have in your backyard is not an option for many people. So I found this outdoor turf rug. And I think even though this is turf, like artificial grass, I really think that with all of your cute furniture and decor out there, you can just really jazz it up. Now, I don't know why, but I feel that every Maximalist patio needs this little guy hanging out. This is a rooster statue, perfect for outdoor, and look at all those colors. So last but not least, saw these really perfect solar lights. Thought this would be so pretty for either your patio or your front porch. Alright guys, I hope that you have enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Thank you for watching, and then there was style. But if you want to see more, check out one of these 2 videos right here. I will see you in the next one. Bye friends, and stay safe.